Okay, IFERN International Updates. Uy, international ba to? Hindi ko alam kung ba't napunta to dito. Anyway, palakpakan natin to kasi achievement natin lahat yan. Yung natitirang magazine dito, this is the last magazine that we have. Ha? Kung merong gustong bumili, bilhin nyo na, pakiawin nyo na kasi pagbalik natin ng Manila, wala nang magazine. Maghanap na lang kayo sa mga bookstore kung meron pa sila. Ang sabi sa akin ni People Asia, sold out daw yung cover na Tomanitan. Meron daw bumili ng 2,000 copies pinadala sa abroad. Ha? Tinatanong ko yung bansa, I forgot the country. 2,000 copies pinadala sa abroad. Okay, so I don't know which country that is. I forgot. No, I need to check my messages. Okay, ito na yung totoong international update. Okay, so of course you know that now we offer IFERN Uganda, no, under Patrick Muzinguzi. Okay, so this is Patrick, no, when he visited the office. Okay, this is where the IFERN office is situated, no? Ito yung display, no, dun sa IFERN office. Okay, these are our African members. Now we are in the country Uganda. Okay, for those of you who don't know, Africa is a continent. It's a continent of 45 countries. Okay? And so entryway natin ngayon Uganda. So dyan tayo may office. Okay, now I'm going to give you news about IFERN Bahrain. Okay, itong opisina na to, no, pinagsosyahan namin ni Zach Lopez. No, Zach Lopez initially put up the money to open the office. But nagkaroon ng mga delays, nagkaroon ng problema sa mga registration, nag-lockdown. Siyempre, sobrang laki na yung dapat ilalabas. So, the company have invested. So, ito yung resulta ng investment ni IFERN sa Bahrain. Basahin niyo yung message, no, with the IFERN partners. Sa wakas, nakatulog na po ako ng mahimbing kagabi, excited ng humataw. FERN-D will be the second vitamin D3 that will be officially registered in Bahrain. The only vitamin D3 registered in Bahrain is health product at the moment is Nature's Bounty. This is, I don't know if you understand, this is such a big deal. Bahrain is one of the most strict countries in the Middle East. Pag napasok mo yung Bahrain, yung ibang bansa sa Middle East, bubukas na para sa iyo. Okay? So we're just waiting for 1 or 2 documents. IFERN Bahrain will be registered also as a business. And the products, no? By the way, the products will be labeled in Arabic. Okay? Magbabago tayo ng packaging. But accepted na siya. Marerehistro na siya. Okay? Only the second, vitamin D. And in these Middle East countries, vitamin D is required. No? The citizenry or the people are required to take vitamin D. Because ang mga tao sa may init na lugar, katulad ng Pilipinas, takot sa araw, hindi nagbibilad, mababa lahat ang vitamin D. Kaya yung mga customer ninyo, mga pasyente ninyo, kasi minsan doktor kayo, di ba? Yung mga pasyente ninyo, kaya ang bilis gumaling pag nag-vitamin D kasi low in vitamin D sila to begin with. Kaya ang bilis ng epekto. So these are some pictures, no, from IFERN Bahrain. Okay, these are the pictures of our leaders in Bahrain. Ito yung opisina natin. Ito yung opisina. Okay. Okay, so these are pictures of the office. Okay, so this is the outside, no? Outside the office. Okay, IFERN Italy naman! Okay, so ang nagbalita sa akin nito, of course, yung downline ko, si Marvin. Marvin, pupunta tayong Italy. Sama natin si Madam. Lahat ng kinita nyo, ubusin niya. Pang shopping niya. Ay, hindi. Magtutour pala tayo. Okay, so this is downline of Dr. Susan Lirio. Hi, Doc Lirio, congratulations. So when you have entrepreneurial downlines, si downline ang gumastos, gumawa ng paraan para marehistro yung iFern sa Milan, Italy. So I don't know if you can see it. May laser ba to? Yan dito. If you can see it, iFern Milan International. Okay? So these are just some of the official documents that was sent to me. Okay, so naka-Italian naman siya. Basta yan na yan. Basta legit yan, legit. Ito ulit iFern Milan. Teka, advance. Ito. If you can read there, it says iFern Milan. Okay, so we have, they're planning to open an office. Sabi ko, pag-usapan muna namin kasi ayaw kong advance yung office na hindi pa ready. Dapat yung network ready, nakakapagpadala na tayo ng shipment, gumagana na yung network, saka tayo magbukas ng opisina. Otherwise, sayang yung monthly rental. Mahal yung rental eh. Yung Bahrain, different story. Kung hindi ka kasi nagbukas ng opisina, hindi mo pwedeng marirehistro yung kumpanya or yung product. Kaya sinasabing isa sa pinaka-strict si Bahrain, kung wala kang office, hindi pwede mag-register ng kumpanya at ng produkto. So gagastusan mo talaga yung office, kung hindi ka makapag-register. So each country is different. So minsan, kadalasan sumusugal. If you want to grow your business, you need to make a bet. Kaya gumagastos kami ng malaki kasi malaking mabubuksan natin sa Middle East kung ma-register tayo sa Bahrain. And its entryway also into Africa. Pwedeng by car, pumasok yung produkto na pumasok sa Bahrain, by car, papasok ng Africa. Kasi mahirap makakuha ng flight sa Africa. Yung last shipment namin, 600 kilos worth of product to Uganda. Pero ang hirap makakuha ng flight schedule. Parang once a week lang, merong flight papuntang Africa. So another international news, World Branding Awards has given a second award for FernD for 2021. So this is a second award for FernD, and kung maayos yung mga lockdown sa UK, kasi right now very strict yung lockdown sa kanila because of the new virus, I will bring our presidential directors to UK with us, with me and Madam, March 11. So, inintay pa namin yung balita. Inintay pa namin yung balita. Yung mga presidential director, kung wala pang passport, magpagawa na ng passport. Kung expired na yung passport, magpa-renew na yung passport. Tuloy ko pa ba? Okay, FernD. World Branding Awards, Brand of the Year. Grabe, undefeated talaga kasi yung trophy nasa atin eh. Tinalo na natin yung virus, saka yung pandemic, may trophy pa. Iba talaga. Karma is digital. Pag gumawa ka ng maganda, may trophy ka agad.